What's the number one thing for millennials right now? Social media. Social media, right? So if you have that great gateway that was built that has so many different highways where you could do something, I bet you pull out your phone and you'll check Facebook or IG before you look at how to build a business online. And you guys are supposed to have it right here. But you've been programmed to understand that you are employed. I'm telling you, that's not the case. You were never created to say you have a job. You were created to do work. The work that you were created to do helps you find out who you are supposed to become. And if you don't know who you are, how are you going to find out who you're supposed to become? Guys, you're cutting yourself so short because the leader that's inside of you is dehydrated. He's thirsty, but y'all scared to let him out because of fear, because of doubt. Let me tell you something. Fear and doubt will get you killed. So you can play with your life if you want to. You can think that you're going to get another go around. But no, that's not the case. Because one day you might roll something, you might end up in jail, or you might just get caught up. Trust me, y'all. I was looking at doing 20 years. First degree robbery, conspiracy to commit robbery, and larceny. So only by the grace of God am I standing right here before y'all. I used to play in the bottoms of Inglewood. My first stroke came from being in the studio, drinking and smoking to a high capacity. I'm not just walking here with a limp thinking that I'm cool. Y'all, my life has shown me something. And my life has shown me that if you don't take this life serious, you will never get another breath. Because you get one time around this track. One time. He didn't say, okay, hold on, I'm going to put you on pause and bring you back. Not at all. Only Lazarus got that. Only Lazarus got that.